You can see on my screen I have got some interesting results from Adsterra platform. Adsterra is a most popular platform. You can use this platform to monetize your website. Adsterra platform show advertisement on website. When any person clicks on that advertisement, then Adsterra platform may create your account. Guys, if you do not have website, then don't worry. In this video, I'm going to share with you how you can get some interesting results from Adsterra platform without having website. But quick disclaimer, this video is for educational and informational purposes only. I do not guarantee any income and results. Your results may vary based on your effort, skills, experience, consistency and traffic. Guys, if you are new on my channel, then please subscribe our channel and like this video. First of all, you can go on Adsterra platform. This is the best and most popular platform. Here you can see this platform have 60,000 partners. Guys, first of all, you will have to create account on this platform. You can click on this button. It will then take you to this page. Here you can see what you get. High CPM rates, regular payouts, browser-friendly ads, and a partner care program. Here you can see you can monetize your website, in-app, or social media traffic like Facebook and TikTok. You can type here your email address. You can type here your first name, last name. You can type your username. You can type your login ID. You will have to type your unique login ID. Like you can type your Johan123, Mohan123. You can type your anything that should be unique. Now you can type your password. You can select your messenger. Like you can select Telegram, Facebook, WhatsApp, Instagram. You can select any of this messenger. Now you can type your messenger ID. You can select here your country. You can verify this captcha. Now you can read and accept its terms and conditions. At last, you can click on sign up button. Once you will create successfully your account, you will then come to this page. You can click here to add your website. If you do not have website, then don't worry. You can click on a smart links button. Here you can see you can monetize any traffic with a smart link. You can create a smart link. Now you can add the smart link anywhere. Like you can add a smart link on social media post, website, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Telegram, and more. You can simply click on add a smart link button. Now you can select your traffic type. You can click on add button. Here you can see I have created a smart link. Click here to copy URL of this smart link. Now in next step, what you will have to do is you can add that smart link on social media post or website. You can also add that smart link on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Telegram, and more. You can visit on medium.com platform. Guys, this is the best and most popular platform. Here you can see this platform is getting more than 77 million visitors per month. Here you can see this platform gets more than 31% visitors from United States. Guys, you can get lots of traffic using this platform. You can search your Google Trends. You can click here. Now click on Trending Now button. You can select here country, United States. Guys, here you can see trending keywords. Here you can see search volumes. And here you can see time. You can use any of these keywords to generate articles. For example, you can copy this keyword. Now in next step, you can go on DeepSeek platform. You can type here a prompt. Guys, you can type here this kind of prompt. Now you can click on this button. Here you can see DeepSeek platform is generating articles on that keyword. Now you can use these articles to create posts on medium.com platform. You can visit on medium.com platform and then you can create account on this platform. After creating account on this platform, you can click on write button. Now you can type your title. You can type here your story. You can visit on DeepSeek platform. Here is showing title. You can copy this title. Now go on medium.com platform. Paste here that title. Now paste your articles. Here is showing articles. You can copy this article. Now go on medium.com platform. Paste here that article. Now in next step, what you will have to do is you can insert here a smart link. You can visit on Adsterra platform. Here is showing a smart link. Click here to copy a smart link. Now go on medium.com platform. You can select any of this text. Now click on this link icon. Paste your smart link. You can scroll down. Similarly, you can select any of this text. Click on this link icon. Paste your smart link. You can select any of this text. Click on this link icon. Paste your smart link. Now you can click on publish button. You can type your topics. You can visit on Google Trends. Here is showing keyword. You can copy this keyword. Now visit on medium.com platform. Paste your that keyword. Now you can click on publish button. You can see your story has been published and sent. You can click here to share your story on Facebook. You can share your story on LinkedIn. You can share your story on X, or you can click here to copy URL of your story. Here is showing my story. Here is showing title, here is showing articles, and here is showing advertisement from medium.com platform. Here is showing clickable text. When any person will click on this text, then Adsterra platform may show advertisement. For that advertisement, Adsterra platform may create your account. Guys, you can also share your smart link on your website. You can also share your smart link on Facebook, Instagram, X, Telegram, and more. You can get good results from Adsterra platform. Here you can see I have got some interesting results from Adsterra platform. So friends, take advantage of this platform without getting late. If you want to learn more about Adsterra platform, then you can watch this video right here. That's all for today. Please subscribe our channel and like this video. And also please share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in next video.